What's up, everybody? I'm the Rookie Woodworker, and I've got a little bit of a problem that's starting to happen. My sanding pad is starting to lose its stick, meaning the Velcro pad is starting to lose its Velcro, starting to wear out so that these pads don't stick very well. So sometimes whenever I lift this up off of a piece, it flies off. So it's time to address that. Now to address that, I got some new pads that'll go right on here. Down in the description, I'll have a link to these pads. So let's get to it. So to change this pad, we're going for the holes that are on the inside. There's 8 of them. There's 4 of them that have screws, and then 4 of them that have buttons in there. There's buttons just to line the pad so that it's easier to put the screws in for the next pad. So these pads come in a pack of 2 of them, but we only need 1 pad right now. So what I'm going to do is stick 1 in the box, and I'm going to store it somewhere where I'm going to forget where it is in the future, or forget that it even exists, and I'll end up buying a whole nother box the next time I need a pad. The bolts that we're working with here are 4 T20 bolts. I'm going to use the driver to pull them out, but do not use the driver to put them back in when you put the other pad on. The reason being is those holes are going to be really easy to strip out. The pads are made out of plastic, so you don't want to crush that too much. You'll just end up messing up a good bit of stuff if you use that driver. That's just going to have way too much for it. But like I mentioned before, the other 4 holes has these little buttons in there. So you line that button up with the holes, and that causes your other 4 holes for your bolts to line up perfectly. So they'll drop right in there. You'll be able to just screw them back into place. I'm going to use the screwdriver, and we're going to give out about 3/4 of an ooga dooga worth of torque. These screws do have a good bit of thread to them, so it does take a little bit of time to get them screwed into place. So with that being said, you gain a good bit of appreciation for using the driver to pull them out. So we'll just go ahead and speed this up then. Alright, so that is sticking way better now. I'm gonna line it up. See if it'll fly off. Way better. There we have it. If you like that video and it was helpful for you, you know what to do with the like and subscribe button. Till next time, make something awesome.